Hello everyone. In this short video, I want to show you how I usually start a Linux performance investigation. When I get a server where something doesn't look right, maybe there is a slowness, maybe the client is complaining about latency. So I usually start with this 11 simple commands. This command gives me a quick overview of the system, and most of the time, this simple command already give me enough information to understand what I should start looking next. So let's go through them one by one and see each command, what each command can tell us exactly. So usually I start with the mproc. Mproc gives me how much virtual CPU I have. The second one is uptime, which gives me the load average. Is my system get busier or it is less busy? The next one should be sar-q1, let's say 5, for example. Just take 5 samples. Okay. So this one is going to give me the runnable. As you can see how much I have in my CPU queue. Okay, I have 10, 21, 18, and I only have 12, of course, virtual CPU. And also I can see my load average, this is going up or down. Okay, the next one should be sar-1-5, for example, take 5 samples in 1 second. And I can see there is no steal time. If you work with in the cloud, of course, you have to pay attention to the steal time. I might talk about it later, not in this video. Also, I can see that most of my time in the user is user time. Okay, so I want to see exactly how this user time balance between my CPUs. So I can use npstat-p all one. Okay, my work is actually balanced and it seems okay. Now I want to check exactly what is actually using my user time. Let's take 1 second. So most of it is by Java, which is normal. Also, I have, as you can see, the journaling by XFS, which is normal. Okay, nothing weird here. So next thing, it should be my disk, dp1. Let's take 5 samples. There is nothing major in my disk. Okay. Next should be my network. I want to check if I'm reaching my limit. Okay, I can see only a few meg, nothing weird. Okay, let's see my TCP statistic. As you can see, I love SAR a lot, so nothing here to worry about. Then I usually, or I like to end with top. And as I said, I only want to see in my top the WChain. Let's take it up here before the command. And I can see most of it is waiting for the socket. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so as I said, those are my top 11 commands. Uh, and as I said, is most of the time this simple command actually give me enough information to understand where I should start looking next. And yeah, I hope those commands are going to help you as they helped me a lot in my career. Thank you guys. Bye.